So if you're tired of feeling like you lost your mojo, girl, this video is for you. Somewhere along the way, I stopped taking care of myself. I still take care of everyone around me, but me, I always put last. So one small thing I did to change that is that I'm going to keep my nails done. But have you been to the nail shop lately? Those prices are ridiculous. But thankfully, Anyos has us covered. Now, Anyos is a store here on Amazon. They have all types of different nails and you have to check them out. I got the French tip medium length and they are the almond shape. And when I tell you these are so cute, easy to put on. I mean, they are effortless. They are great. Now you're going to get the nails along with a file. You're also going to get a little wood stick to push your cuticles up. You're going to get an alcohol swab. You're going to get the nail glue and the nail tabs. And let me tell you, after putting these on, I can definitely do another set with what I have left over. So compare that with those nail shop prices is not a comparison at all. Doing your nails yourself are super easy. All you're going to do is go ahead and file your nails so they don't have any grease or moisture on there. Use the alcohol swab, let them dry, and then you're going to pick the sizes for your nails. Also, use the stick to push your cuticles back. It just makes the nails look like you got them professionally done. This is kind of an optional part, but I also go ahead and choose my nail sizes and lay them out before I start gluing them so I can make sure that I have everything together. I start with my thumbs and then work my way out so I know which nail is going to go on which finger. So as I mentioned, it does come with nail tabs, but I wanted these to stay on a little longer, so I'm going to go ahead and use the nail glue that came with this pack as well. You don't have to saturate your nail with the nail glue. Just put a drop on there, stick the nail on, and when you are gluing the nail down, I start with the back, line it up, and then go ahead and push it down on my finger. And I hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds so I can make sure that it's on there good. You do that 9 more times and you have a full set of nails that looks great. Looks like you could have gone to the nail shop, and I'm telling you, it's like 4 times cheaper than being at the nail shop. As you see, I bite my nails quite a bit and my fingers, so I put this on to prevent that. The nails look good. I've had these nails on for about a week and a half. I have cooked, I have showered, I've even washed my hair, and I've had no issues. All of them are still on and they look beautiful. Check out the Anyos store on Amazon.